That's the emergency button.
Okay, wait, Japan was awesome, but before that, there was New Zealand. Yes, New Zealand's got some really cool mountains and fjords and stuff, but for us, it was all about the adventures to be had in Queenstown. But we had to do a lot of driving to get there. And I really do mean a lot of driving.
Yay!
There's our camper van. There. Let's go and have a look. We rented it, well, you know, because it says it all over it in great big lurid writing. Juicy. And it's nice. It's a similar, well, it's the same chassis as our own motorhome that you'd have seen in some of our vlogs that we left in Spain. It's a Fiat Ducato chassis, and it's, I think it's a 6-berth. And it's nice. It's virtually brand new, which is always good because you don't want to be sitting on a, you know, overused RV toilet. It's a bit of a mess inside. I'm not going to overdo it inside. Hi, babe.
Hi. It's really messy.
It's really messy, but you get the general idea. Claire is a little bit house proud or RV proud. You all right, guys?
Yep.
Getting ready for a day out in Queenstown. There are the mountains.
Look at this thing. So this is the best way to get in. Use this rope to lower yourself down if you need. Spot on. Awesome.
Oh man, that's so cool.
So keeping your feet on the foot pads, holding on to the edge of the seat there.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, keeping your head back in the headrest.
One of the standout, coolest experiences I've had during our one-year trip is the bonkers Hydro Attack semi-submersible. And the kids love the 360-degree spins in the K-Jet boat ride. Dog with a white shirt on, leather trousers and Converse.
Rupture's fine. $10,000 surgery. And they did it, right? Of course they did it.
Hello,
it's me.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
So day one in Tokyo, and we bumped into Pewdiepie in the ultra-fashionable Harajuku district. And every other day we spent in this unique and surprising country delivered unexpected, quirky and fascinating experiences. Obviously we hit the arcades in Akihabara or Electric Town, and the award for most bizarre arcade game goes to Tato's Super Table Flip. One of my personal highlights was spending a few hours checking out the retro gaming store Super Potato in Akihabara. I've actually uploaded a 360-degree tour of this homage to old school gaming, so be sure to check that out on my channel. The question is, what is the most expensive game in Super Potato? It's difficult because there are literally thousands, so I've no idea whether I've actually reached the summit, but I've found a contender. Here we go. 298,000 yen for a Neo Geo game called Andro Dunos. I'm guessing that's about £2,000, which is a lot to pay for a video game. Thanks, man. Can you see it?
Is that a volcano?
That's Mount Fuji, dude. Whoa! Okay, you've got to take my shoes off. Right, let's go in.
Oh, careful. One side.
Oh, yeah, it's there.
Oh, wow, look at this. This is crazy, look. Jack's looking good, man. Looking good. Geisha style. Very, very good. Look at this. Everything's mini, look. Harrison, everything's your size.
Oh my god.
Wow, look, let's have a look.
Yeah.
Outside.
This is where we sleep.
Look at this.
Wow, we sleep on the floor.
Actually, the truth is, there are no beds because they come in at, what was it 7:30 they said, 7:30 tonight, and someone makes up our beds, which is so cool. Look at it. I love the bathroom as well, look. So dinky. It's so dinky, everything's so small, look. Ah, there we go. Oh, look, the smallest bath I've ever seen. There's a hand to add perspective.
Jeez, that's tiny.
Yeah, but it's great. That's a sort of hybrid shower bath. This is so cool. I love it. There's a tiny toilet with the fountain that we love so much, and the sink on top. Look, totally cool. Love it. Right, Marnie, careful you don't get pushed along. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. I mean, there are just tens of thousands of people. I can't even do this shot because I keep getting banged into. There are just so many people. We thought we'd come to this shrine, one of hundreds in Kyoto. This is right up in the mountains because it's really, really beautiful. But it's taken us about 20 minutes to get, I don't know, as many meters. Up an albeit very, very beautiful street. Lovely old architecture, but it's just covered in people.
Exterior surfaces of the 5 tiers are finished with aritayaki ceramic tiles. The sculpture depicts the goddess of peace, accompanied by 8 doves perched around the tower. On the center pole are lights offered to God in memory of the lives that were extinguished.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. More coming as we return to Europe for the final stage of our around the world trip. Please like and subscribe.